Please do subscribe to our channel, that is Technology Specialist, and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about some misconceptions of artificial intelligence, and I'm having these three misconceptions and I will be discussing about these misconceptions. So let's get started. So guys, here the first misconception that people is usually having is the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of human race. What did I actually think about it? No, probably not. You are just talking about something like the old Terminator movie. I just really suggest you to stop this movie. What I think that it we are developing artificial intelligence, we are developing our machines to capable of machine learning, so we are the persons who can destroy it. You are actually totally secured by these things. I really can give you a realistic example of it, where artificial intelligence is like a child. What our expectations from a child is that in future it will be becoming an engineer, it will be becoming a doctor and something like that. But there is another part of it, that it is also possible that the child has become a terrorist, a thief, and so what's the solution for it? Yeah, there is a condition that that the child can become a terrorist. So what's your security for it? What's your condition? You just only expect from him or her, or you actually having an idea to develop so? Actually, you are having it. You are providing him with the knowledge, with the schooling, and with the education which makes him to understand what's the right and what's the wrong in our community. Similarly, artificial intelligence also have these things, and we are already established a community to make artificial intelligent projects to be able to understand what are the actual demands of people and how you have to deal with it. We can't stop working on the artificial intelligence with just a misconception or with just a condition that it will be to destroy our humanity. Do you have any proof that it will be destroying? No one knows the future. So on behalf of only this condition, we can't stop working on the artificial intelligence. The another keyword comes out that does AI is going to take our jobs? Actually not. The behalf in on what I'm just talking about, it was the history. The history says that it will not be coming true, because when computers are just discovered and computers are launched in markets and being populated a lot, then the peoples are always against with the computers and they are thinking that the computers will take their jobs. Is it true or not? Yes, it's true. The people are thinking that it will be going to takes place our jobs and something like that. Or but what actually happened? Does it takes place of your jobs? No, it is providing you much more job options, and it is providing you making money online and all these things. It is providing finite more ways to get your jobs done or to get make money from online. Not be going to take place your jobs, but it will be providing more jobs. I don't know how, but it will be providing according to on the behalf of the history about the technology. It's asking, does AI takes place me? I don't think again. Yes, again it's a no. Big no. Why? Here comes the reason. Our human brain is actually awesome, and it can think that a machine cannot be able to think, but we are providing our machines to able to think, but actually not. This is quite far possible, but it is actually too possible that actually what artificial if I talk about what artificial intelligence is actually basis it is basically the data mining and the data analysis. If I talk about the data mining and data analysis, then how can this will being coming with the innovations and new creativity? These creativity and innovations are a quality of human only. These cannot be stolen by any machines or something like softwares or artificial intelligent projects. These will not be taken. It's yours and it's the power of a human. You don't if you are losing them, if you are just not thinking anything in your brain, then it's useless to your lives. In future there will be machines and there will be robots and there will be computers will be doing your hard work, but actually it needs the smart work. The smart work is only by a human brain, so we actually require a human brain a lot. And if there will be no human brain, then there will be nothing in the earth, and there will be no robots in the future. Actually, no robots. That's it for this video. I hope that you actually learned something from this video. If you really learned from this video, then please press that like button and subscribe to our channel, that is Technology Specialist, and also press that bell icon so that you will be notified with our next video. And I hope to see